We planted Grace Church Cardiff in 2018 in the diverse corner of Cardiff that is Grangetown, and God has been kind to us. We have grown into a family of faith that is built on the grace of God, and we wanted to multiply small communities of faith that could share the grace of God with more parts of the south of the city.
Myself and my wife, just at the start of the year, felt that God was calling us into something new, and this opportunity was presented to us, and we were really excited to eventually move into the area and to see what God has for us. I'm currently working for Grace Church Grangetown, and it's been a wonderful time the last couple of years to be trained and to be mentored by our pastor and our elders. And I'm really excited to see what really God has in store for us as we step out in faith like this.
Canton is a very diverse area. It's made up of a number of other areas: Leckwith, Riverside, Canton, Nhreganna. The people that live here are many and varied. There are people that are at the top end of earnings, and there are people right at the bottom. There are a lot of artists. There's an arts centre here in Canton. We've got all of human life here within a mile, and we're just so excited to be here, serving God and extending His kingdom.
So one of the most exciting things in the process of building towards planting Grace Canton has been seeing the coming together of our vision as elders and what God has been speaking to individuals about being involved in church planting. And so when we shared and cast the vision and then heard from Nathan and Chloe and Ian and Sharon that God had already been speaking to them about being a part of something like this, it was just a huge confirmation that we were not orchestrating a man-made venture here, but rather were participating in a plan that God was putting together. And I'd really encourage anyone who's feeling a tug in their hearts towards planting, but may feel like I'm just an ordinary church member, really do prayerfully explore that call, because we've seen in the case of these amazing, gifted, solid members of our church that there's a whole new realm of faith that God is inviting them into as they've stepped into leading in this church plant.
If you're thinking about being involved in church planting, can I just encourage you with something that encouraged me at the start of this journey? I'm in an R-ing whether I should be involved. It's a passage in 1 Thessalonians 4 that speaks about what is God's will for your life. It's a big question that Christians ask. And the answer is your sanctification, you becoming more like Him. And I can't really think of anything better than church planting to experience that, what it feels like to become more like Jesus, to be stepping out in faith, speaking to people about Him, maybe even for the first time, as we may well experience here in Canton and we have experienced.